Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a pizza slide. So let's get started. First, draw a line like this. Just following with me. Slowly. And stop at here. Connect the line. And then draw a line outwards. And downwards. Now, we will draw the eyes. 2 round big circles. Inside with a small circle. And a smaller circle. Now draw the details. Slowly. Three lines here. And draw the mouth. A curve here. And inside a curve too. Color it red here. Now we will draw the toppings here. A curve. Another curve. Draw as many as you like. Now we have a pizza slide. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.